First, download the DeepSeek app from the App Store. To do this, open the App Store. Search for DeepSeek and tap Get to install the app. Next, tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, tap Agree to proceed. You can register for a DeepSeek account by signing up with an email address, or Google account, or Apple ID. I have chosen to register the DeepSeek account using my Google account. In the window that appears, tap Agree to proceed. Tap Continue to allow DeepSeek to use your Google account for sign-in. You can select an existing logged-in account, or enter your credentials to use a different account. On the next screen, tap Continue to finalize the registration process. Once the registration process is complete, you can start interacting with DeepSeek's AI assistant. Due to recent high demand and enhanced security measures, some users have reported difficulties during the sign-up process. If you experience issues, it is recommended to try again later. DeepSeek is aware of these challenges and is actively working to resolve them. You can start a new conversation by tapping New Chat at the bottom, or by selecting the plus icon in the top right corner. If you tap the two lines in the top left corner, you can access and bring back the previous chat. By tapping the plus icon at the bottom, you can upload any photo or document to share with DeepSeek for analysis or assistance. So that's how you can create and use a DeepSeek account.